Hello guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate Google's AR core in my Redmi Note 4 device. As you can see guys, this is my Redmi Note 4 phone which is running on Havoc OS, which is most customizable Android ROM, custom ROM, which is like Android P ROM. Basically I am using Substratum theme engine for this, and in this ROM you will see Android P like status bar, notification panel. As you can see guys, this is most beautiful notification panel. In this ROM you will see the most unique features like smart pixels, screen stabilization, reading mode, night mode. So if you like this ROM, then comment below. I will make a separate video for this. And this video is basically for AR core. I will show you two applications, which is AR just a line and AR stickers, which is started.